Exploring School Facilities, a guide to English language learning. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to delve into the exciting world of school facilities. Understanding these common phrases will not only enhance your English vocabulary but also help you navigate through school life more effectively. So, let's embark on this educational journey together and explore the various facilities you might encounter in a school. School facilities refer to the physical resources of a school that support the educational process. These aren't just buildings, but include a wide range of structures and spaces that make learning possible and comfortable. From classrooms where knowledge is imparted, to libraries where wisdom awaits in books, each facility has its unique role in education. Classrooms. The heart of any educational institution, classrooms are where lessons are taught and ideas are shared. They are equipped with desks, chairs, a blackboard or a whiteboard, and often, technological aids like projectors. Laboratories. Schools often have specialized laboratories for subjects like science, computer, and languages. These labs are equipped with the necessary tools and equipment for practical, hands-on learning. Libraries. A library is a treasure trove of knowledge. It houses books, journals, and digital resources, offering a quiet space for students to read, research, and study. Sports facilities. Physical education is equally important, and schools facilitate this through sports facilities like gyms, sports fields, swimming pools, and courts for basketball, tennis, or other sports. Cafeteria or canteen. This is where students refuel with meals or snacks, providing a space for social interaction and relaxation during breaks. Auditorium or assembly hall. A large space for school gatherings, performances, and meetings. It's where the school community comes together for various events. School facilities play a pivotal role in the educational experience and development of students. They enhance learning. Well-equipped labs and libraries contribute to a more effective learning environment. Support extracurricular activities. Sports and arts facilities help in the holistic development of students. Promote social interaction. Spaces like the cafeteria and playground offer students the chance to socialize and develop interpersonal skills. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of school facilities and their significance in education. Remember, each facility is a cog in the machine of education, contributing to a well-rounded learning experience. Thank you for joining us on this educational journey, and we look forward to exploring more topics with you. Happy learning!